Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of importing an email list to AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Start by logging into your AWeber account. From the dashboard, find and click on the Subscribers tab in the main navigation menu. This section is where you can manage all of your email subscribers. On the right side of the subscribers page, you will see an option labeled Add Subscribers. Click on this button to begin the process of adding new subscribers to your list. You will be presented with two options, Add Subscriber or Import Multiple. If you want to add a single subscriber, choose Add Subscriber. If you have a list of subscribers in a CSV file and want to add them all at once, select Import Multiple. If you chose to import multiple subscribers, you will need to drag and drop your CSV file from your computer into the designated area on the AWeber interface. This file should contain your subscribers' information, including their names and email addresses. After importing the CSV file, you may need to fill in any additional subscriber fields that are required, such as the subscriber's name and email address. Make sure the information is accurate to ensure effective communication. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click the Next button to proceed to the confirmation settings. You will need to select how you want your new subscribers to confirm their subscription. AWeber typically offers options like a confirmation email or a thank you page. Choose the method that works best for your audience and click Next. If you want to further categorize your subscribers, you can add tags at this stage. Tags can help you segment your list for targeted marketing campaigns. This step is optional but can be very useful for future email management. After you have completed all the mandatory settings and are satisfied with your choices, click on the Submit Your Import button. This action will finalize the process, and your new subscribers will be added to your AWeber account. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.